Hi, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today we are working on some DIY fall decor ideas to transform your space for the season. This first one is going to be very simple and probably something most of us have in our house. So we are going to be starting with a sandwich bag or lunch bag. I guess you could go huge and do like a grocery bag. But you're just going to fill it with plastic grocery bags or whatever kind of filling you have that maybe is just something you're going to throw away, but some kind of filler. And then after it is nice and plump and full in the bottom, you're going to add a stick, and this is going to be the stem of the pumpkin. And I'm adding it now so that it stays in the center of the pumpkin because I tried to do it a different way and it didn't work out. So this is the way I found that it worked best. And then you're going to tie some twine around the neck of the pumpkin and then fold down the top part of the bag, and then this is where you're going to make the leaves of the pumpkin. So basically just start cutting until you get shapes of leaves. I know not all pumpkins have leaves, but I think they look cuter when they do. So go ahead and start cutting and trimming until you're happy with the leaves that you make. And this one I wasn't as happy as the other one, but still cute. So then you want to push down just like I did on the top part, and then I added some more twine. You could add some burlap, you could add raffia, whatever you wanted, some kind of ribbon, just to give it a little something extra. And then this is optional. Obviously, I am taking some orange paint because I want it to be an orange pumpkin. My other one I'm going to leave like a rustic brown. So I'm taking a sponge and just kind of dabbing it onto the paper bag. I guess you could do this beforehand too, before you start filling it and stuff, but I don't know. I just did it this way. So let me know, how many of you guys decorate for fall? How many maybe don't get a fall season, so it doesn't even cross your mind to decorate for fall? Let me know, because I don't want to exclude anybody. But I also do want to do fall decor if you want to see it, because it's one of my favorites. So anyway, I'm taking some green paint and I'm doing the same technique with the sponge and just dabbing it on where the leaves are. And then you want to take some hot glue or whatever kind of glue you prefer, and then you're going to glue down the leaves to the base of the pumpkin, or they're going to be sticking up and looking all crazy like. And this is it all finished. I think they're super cute and a great way to store your plastic grocery bags until you're ready to use them or recycle them, whatever you do with them. This next one is just a really cute vase. You're going to need some sort of glass bottle, twine, beads, and a flower or greenery or whatever you would like, depending on what you're decorating for. I'm just using one of those bottles, those, what are they called? Frappuccino bottles. And then for my florals, I just cut the stems off of 2 of them. And if you're just using one bunch, that's fine. Just leave the stem part way so that you can tie twine to it, because this is how we're going to thread the beads on. I wanted to thread it onto the twine and part of the stem just to hold it a little bit straighter when you put it into the bottle, but do it however you want. And then tie the bottom. And I actually saw something like this on Pinterest. I thought it was really cute and super simple, but really pretty too, and a little bit different. For this last one, I'm using some scrap fabric, and we are going to be making sunflowers. I got this idea, one, because my husband came home from the grocery store with a handful of sunflowers, and I thought that was so sweet. And I saw a picture on Pinterest, of course, and I wanted to try and recreate them. I will list it if I can find the one I was looking at. I'll put that in my description box. So after you cut circles out of the, After you cut the circles out of the fabric, that is going to be the center of your sunflower. Then you're going to want to take your next fabric that you choose. I'm choosing like this. It's like a khaki burlappy type fabric. I'm not sure what it was, but it was just a scrap I had. I cut some leaves for the sunflower out, and I wanted them frayed because I wanted it to kind of go with like the rustic fall theme. And then you're just going to attach the leaves all the way around the sunflower center with some hot glue or fabric glue, whatever you prefer. And I wanted double layers of the leaves because I wanted it to look a little bit fuller. So I just went around and added some more leaves in between the first ones that I put on. Oh, and if you're interested, on my other channel, I did a small bathroom redo, and I made a towel holder in that video. I can link that above if you're interested in seeing that. So then you want to glue the second circle that you made for the center of the flower and attach that to the other one. And you want to leave a little space so that you can fill your sunflower with some sort of filling and your stick. And then all I had was cotton balls, so this is going to be my filler. Again, you can use whatever you have on hand because I wanted my sunflowers to be kind of puffy. And then go ahead and attach your stick and hot glue it closed. For the leaves, again, or the petals, this is optional. I wanted one of my sunflowers to be yellow and then one just to be the natural color. And I want to make a bunch of these because I think they would look super cute in a vase because that's what I saw on Pinterest. And then take some twine just for a little bit of embellishment and tie it around the stem of the flower. Again, you can use ribbon or anything that you think is cute. And here's the second one. I just thought I would show you from beginning to end. And they're really fun to make. I think they would be super easy to make with some kiddos or just as a fun craft while you're watching TV. That's what I did. I just did it in my living room and made a couple flowers. And next week I have a couple collabs. I have a thrift flip collab, and also on my other channel I have a fall decorate with me collab, so be sure to check those out. I will have my other channel listed in my description box if you're not already part of the family over there. And like I said, I left this one natural because I don't know, I wanted it to look a little bit rustic, and I'm going to do a bunch of these because I think they would be really cute on a shelf or as a centerpiece. So let me know what you guys think of these DIYs and what else you would like to see next. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.